Hi there. Welcome back. I received an email from our friend Bob. Let's check what's happening. Hey Bob, what are you struggling with? Prepositions? We've got your back. Don't worry. I've got the right person in mind who can help us in this. Let me drop her a message.
Hello, I am Miss Devika. How can I help?
Bob needs help with prepositions.
Sure thing, Mr. Febby. Let's go. Hey, Bob. We are glad that you asked. We are ready to roll.
Grab your pencils and papers.
The question is, what are prepositions? They show the relation between two things. We can also say that they link nouns, pronouns, and phrases with other words in the sentence.
They can show direction in relation to something, or where something is, or when something is related to an event.
Time for some examples. Emma is writing on the board. The preposition is on.
Jack is pulling with all his might. Preposition is with.
Oops. The football is rolling towards Bob. Preposition towards.
Bob's friend Beep is behind the table. Preposition behind.
Jack is going through his phone. Preposition through. We at Febbys are always ready to help you academically. Here are some examples of prepositions. Pause the video and make a note in your books. Dad drove the car along the beach. Which of these is a preposition? What about this? The dog slept beside the rabbit. My friend stayed back until her dad arrived.
Bob now knows his prepositions and hope you do too. We are glad that we could help.
Yeah.
You can always rely on us for quick tips. We endeavor to upload more fun videos in the days to come. Follow us for more.